Check out this amazing strategy to start earning a lot of money online with the URL file lockers and CPA marketing. Now stick on with me as we dive right into this video. But before we go on to details of this strategy, you may want to check out the first link in the description of the video to gain access to an amazing course that could enable you earn up to $2,000 to $3,000 every month by setting up a 3 hours YouTube work plan to fast track your YouTube channel growth and also revenue. Now this is for people that are interested in making money online with YouTube. As you can see right now, the course is actually being sold for $50 right here, but they are actually on a giveaway phase where they are giving out this course at a discounted rate of $50 right now, and this will actually last till April 1st 2024. So you just need to go on to getting your copy right now so as not to go into purchasing the course for a sum of $200 right now. So if you go into purchasing right now, you're going to be able to save up to $150 today. So why not just simply grab hold of this by clicking on buy now and register for this course. Now you can actually go to see much more details of the course. If you do scroll through this page, you can see the earnings that a lot of people have been making right now via the use of this course. You can also go on to checking out this video right now. This is a very cool payment proof that shows you the capabilities of this course. Don't miss out on this opportunity and utilize that right there. You may also want to go onto my channel, guys, because I regularly post videos on ways to make money online. If you like such content, you can hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So moving on to the first step right now is for you to go onto platforms like idplr.com or the PLR database, or you may want to use the free plrdownloads.com. Now these are all cool and amazing platforms where you could go on to getting free PLRs on any niche of your choice to go on to utilizing. As you can see right now, there are a lot of niches I could focus on. There's a marketing niche, affiliate marketing niche, there's the advertising niche, there's the article marketing, there's the beauty niche, beer, blogging, boats, bodybuilding, and a lot of niches right now. So all you just need to do is to select a niche of your choice. Maybe if I don't want to select a niche, I just want to search for ebooks related to a specific keyword, I could just simply come onto that search section, and right in this search section, maybe I want to type in something like weight loss and I want to focus on books related to that. I'm just going to go on to searching for that, and once I do search for that, guys, and the page loads up, I'll be able to see ebooks that are actually related to that particular niche or to that particular search. I could select any ebook of my choice. Once I just select the ebook right now, guys, it's going to load up, and I'll be able to download the ebook via scrolling down and clicking on this download option. Now once the ebook has been downloaded, the next thing which you want to get done is to head on to this platform called mediafire.com. Now on mediafire.com, you want to sign up for an account, of which if you do sign up, you'll be brought to a page that will look similar to this. Now you want to upload that ebook which you downloaded via clicking on this upload icon. Click on this plus, and you want to just simply select the ebook from your device right now and upload on this particular section. Now you can see my ebook right here, which is the weight loss and you. I can click on this particular chain icon to copy and share the link, or I could click on the 3 dots beside that particular ebook and just simply click on copy link. The link will be copied to my device or to my clipboard, of which you can then go onto any CPA marketing platform that has the content locking capabilities. Now with CPA Grip have the URL and also content locking capabilities right now. So you could just simply come right here to the platform, register for an account, and go on to logging into your account. So now, guys, once you're logged into your account right here on CPA Grip, you want to come onto this section that says monetization tools. Select that option, but instead of selecting content lockers, you want to select the URL file locker option, because if you are using CPA Grip, make sure you select the URL file locker option. But if you are using any other CPA marketing platform, select content lockers. Now you want to click on create new URL file locker. You can agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you'll be brought to this page right here. Now you want to just simply paste that link to that ebook in the locked URL section. Once that has been pasted, you can go into the template section. You may want to just simply select this file download locker template, head back to the general section, and in this section you want to just simply give it a name that actually resonates to that particular offer. You can also come right here and you just want to go on to editing these details to fit into that particular ebook. Now you can see right now these are actually the details. Once you edit that in this section, that will actually be shown in this other section. So you just need to go on to editing that quite appropriately. So if you take a look at this, I actually named this locker the weight loss, and you can actually come on to seeing that I edited all the details to fit into that ebook. Once you are done, all you need to do is to click on save. Once you do click on save, guys, this is actually the locker right now, which is weight loss. Click on get link and you can just simply customize your link. Once you're done with that, you can copy your link and go on to promoting this. Now, to promote this particular link, we just want to go on to utilizing a very cool strategy. Maybe you could go on to creating a landing page using any landing page builder site of your choice. I have some cool and amazing videos to help you create a simple landing page. To gain access to such videos, head back to my channel, OJ Marketing. Click on this search icon and you want to just simply type in landing page. If you do type in landing page right now and click on enter, it's going to show you some cool videos to help you create a simple landing page or a bridge page that could help you promote your CPA marketing offers or your URL file locker. And you can see that each video are actually utilizing different landing page builder sites. As you can see, this one is for Google sites. This is systemy.io, this is Webflow, this is Breezy Cloud, and you can just simply check out all these videos right now to create simple and cool landing pages. Now, once you've created a landing page and that landing page is also linked to your URL file locker, the next thing which you want to do is to come onto this platform called the invideo.io. Now, this is a platform where you could easily go into creating videos for absolutely free right now. You can create videos in an amazing manner right now. You want to go into utilizing the InVideo AI instead, because the InVideo has the InVideo Studio where you could go on to converting text to videos and doing a lot of cool stuff right now, as you can see in this section. But what I want to utilize is their AI tool where you can utilize this to create YouTube video editing, to do a lot of video creation right now. And if you do go on to logging in or signing up for the invideo.ai, which is the InVideo AI, you're going to be brought to a page such as this. Now, in this section, guys, you could just simply give this AI tool a simple description and it's going to go on to coming up with a very cool video for you. All you need to do is to describe the kind of video you want. The AI tool is going to do that for you. Maybe I want to create a YouTube explainer video. I'm going to come onto this workflow section, click on YouTube explainer video. Right now, I'm going to select the duration of the video, which I actually do want. If I want a 10-minute video, I'm going to select that. Now I could just simply give it a topic. Maybe I could put in a topic something like benefits of weight loss. So if I do put in something like this right now, you can actually go on to add in much more instructions to make this video your own. You can maybe tell it to add humor or make it extra detailed or something quite cool like that. Maybe I could just simply tell it to add humor. Now, once I'm done with this right here, I could just simply head on to the next section. Now, this section right here is actually going to add in a background music. So you can select the background music which you want, and I could just simply come right here to select the kind of voice I want, if it's a male voice, a female voice, or my voice. I'm just going to leave this on any. Now, you want to select the kind of voice you want, if it's actually an American accent or California accent, a New Yorker accent, or select any accent of your choice. Now you could go on to inserting add subtitles if you want. Now, once you're done, guys, you could just simply click on continue. Now you can see right here the description. This is a complete summary of your input right now, which you just did. As you can see, it says create a 10 minutes YouTube video about benefits of weight loss, add humor, make the background music adventure, and you can see the settings. Use the voice with a New Yorker accent. Now, once you're done with this, just simply click on create a video. Now, this particular AI tool is going to help you create a very cool and amazing video that's going to be up to approximately 10 minutes long, and you can utilize that to go to driving traffic to your offers right now. Maybe in the video right here, you could just simply add in a simple description right now. You could tell it something like, maybe if I do go back to this section, so you can see I told the AI tool to add a section directing viewers to the video description to grab a free ebook. Now, if I do click on continue, you can see right now everything has actually been set. You could just simply click on generate a video. Your video will be generated, and a section right there will be directing people in to the description of the video to click on the link to get a free ebook. Now, in that description of the video, that's where you're going to put in your landing page link or the link to your URL file locker right here. So all you need to do is to go onto platforms like YouTube, and you want to just simply create an account. Once you create an account, you could just simply go on to uploading cool and amazing videos on YouTube, such as that video that was generated for you with InVideo. Although that video is not actually going to be monetized, but you can just simply utilize that as a source to get a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing URL file locker, and that's actually going to be amazing. Make sure that once you do click on create, you can click on upload video, and right now it's going to take you to a page where you can just simply click on this select files. Now once you click on select files, it's going to take you to your device where you can select the video which you want to upload. Now supposing guys, this is an example of the video right here. You want to give the video a very cool title. Now in the description, that's where you're going to paste in the link to that particular URL file locker, and also indicate that that's the link also, and also give a simple description about the video again. Then you could go on to creating an amazing thumbnail for the video. You want to come on to clicking on show more and add some cool tags that are actually related to that kind of videos that could easily make people search and see that particular video, and you could just simply follow the necessary procedure, upload the video on YouTube and get a lot of traffic. As you're getting views, you're getting traffic to your offers, and you could make money with this. Now regardless of any country which people come from and click on that link, they are going to see offers available to them. Click on the offers, complete the offers, and you make some cool cash, and they gain access to that particular locked URL content. So that's an amazing way to make money online with CPA marketing. And if you're looking for other strategies, make sure you check out my channel right here, OJ Marketing. I create a lot of cool videos to help you boost your income online. You could also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Also, don't forget to check out the first link in the description of the video to gain access to this amazing course to help you fast track your earnings on YouTube right now. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.